Welcome to practice series botany. Question 1. Omnicellular e-cellular cell arises from pre-existing cells. This statement is given by. Please pause the screen and solve it yourself. I'll tell you the answer with explanation. Done? Okay, so let's discuss. So Rudolf Virchow in 1855 gave this explanation, and the answer is 2. Option 2. He explained that cells divided and new cells are formed from pre-existing cells. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. I'll answer there. Let's move forward for the second question. Name the scientist who saw a live cell first time. You can solve it. Pause the screen and solve. Answer is Anton von Leeuwenhoek. This is written on NCERT. You can take a look. Anton von Leeuwenhoek first saw and described a live cell. The statement would be there. Question number 3. Let's move on. The cell envelope of bacteria have parts. The answer is fourth option. Outermost glycocalyx followed by cell wall and then cell membrane. The statement is written as the cell envelope consists of a tightly bound 3-layered structure, the outermost glycocalyx followed by the cell wall and then the plasma membrane. In cell chapter 8 you can see, in the NCERT you will find the line. Question number 4. Which of the following is similar in both prokaryote and eukaryotes? Option 1 ribosome, option 2 cell wall, option 3 plasma membrane, option 4 nucleus. Let's solve. Answer is option 3 plasma membrane, as it's same in both, because ribosome both are present, and prokaryotes ribosome are of 70S type and in eukaryotes are of 80S type. Cell wall is absent in prokaryotes, while nucleus is well defined in eukaryotes, and in prokaryotes it's not that well defined. So the answer goes option 3. Plasma membrane is common in both. Question 5. Which of among the following shows the presence of nucleoid? You can answer it. Later on I'll answer. Option 2 is correct. Bacteria, as nucleoid is a region where prokaryotic cell that contain most or all of the genes. So that's present in bacteria. In NCERT you will find the answer. And virus doesn't has its own genetic material, we all know. And in plant and animals have well defined, whereas in plant cell it's not that well defined, but nucleoid is absent. Now we move forward to the sixth question. Prokaryotic cells are generally dash and multiply dash than the eukaryotic cells. Answer is option 3. Prokaryotic cells are generally smaller and multiply faster than eukaryotic cells, because eukaryotic cells are well defined, whereas prokaryotic cells are primitive, so they can multiply faster. Let's move forward to the next question, the seventh one. Which of the following is incorrect? The answer is option 2. Smallest cell is mycoplasma. It's not bacteria. It might be a little blurred, but I think it's readable. Question number 8. A specialized structure developed from cell membrane of prokaryotic cell is? The answer is option 2. Mesosome. Because flagella is a motile structure and helps in movement, vacuoles are present inside the plant cell which store materials, and cilia are small finger-like projections that are present on the outer surface that helps in movement and grasping of materials. So the answer is mesosome. Mesosome is a special membranous structure which is formed by extensions of plasma membrane into the cell. You can take a look forward for the next question. Question number 9. What is not true about mesosomes? This is just an addition question for mesosome. The answer is option 4, have pigments. As mesosome play a role in cell wall formation, we saw in the above question as well, and they also help in cellular respiration as well as in DNA replication. So mesosomes help in cell wall formation, DNA replication and distribution to daughter cells. They also help in respiration secretion processes to increase the surface area of the plasma membrane and the enzymatic content. Let's move forward for the next question. Longest portion of bacterium flagellum that comes out from the bacterial cell wall surfaces. Option 1, fimbriae. Option 2, basal body. Option 3, filament. Option 4, hook. The correct answer is option 3, filament, as it's the longest in it's written in NCERT, as well as I am explaining that bacterial flagellum is composed of 3 parts: filament, hook, basal body. Now filament is the longest part, hook is present the between, and there is the basal body that is present at the bottom. Now filament is the longest portion and extends from the cell surface to the outside. You can check your NCERT, you will get this point. Now question number 11. In 70S prokaryotic ribosomes, the subunit present in them is, so the answer is option 2, 50S and 30S. S here shows the Swedberg unit or sedimentation coefficient, which we get when we centrifuge this DNA, and the part which settles below is 50S, and the part that settles above, that the smaller unit, is 30S. And in this you can say simply like, ma'am, if we add 50 and 30, it becomes 88. This isn't 70, but when experimentally when we calculated it, it was 50 and 30. So here we take the experimental values, so that's why it goes to 50 and 30s. And in centrifuge machine, when we do it practically, we get this kind of value, so we have to go with the experimental value. I think this much explanation is enough. Now we go forward for question number 12. Gas vacuoles are found in, answer is option 4, all of these. In blue green bacteria it's also present, in purple bacteria it's also present, and in green photosynthetic bacteria is also present. You can find a line in NCERT that mentions gas vacuole are found in blue green and purple sulfur and green photosynthetic bacteria. You can take a look. So here we come to an end of this practice session, and I think you would have liked the series. I am showing you all the solutions as well, so you can take a look, see once if anyone has missed out. So hoping all the best for future. Thank you students. Please do like, share, and if you like the video, you can comment down and tell me that what more you want. I'll try to provide the best. Thank you.